What's up YouTube? Today we're gonna restore this Samsung Note 3. So apparently this one doesn't come with the back cover, so hopefully I bought a back cover, so yeah. Let's do it, guys. So what's the problem for this one? Everything. Okay, the LCD is not working. See, this whole thing chips is off. You know, everything is a no-go. So let's change it, change the frame and everything. And we've bought this frame, so this is gonna be an easy exchange just by buying this thing. So yeah, let's change it then. Put this whole thing to over here. Let's go. So with some proper tools you can find. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use the tweezer to open stuff. This one. I've already taken out some of the screws, so it will be so long for me to do things. Alright, let's do this. First, we take the red color one. Got the battery. Got to take out the battery. One over here, so there's a sticker on it, and yeah, just take out the sticker and you see it. There we go. So there's about 10 of them, 10 screws. Here. Let's open it up. Using these. Open it up. I've opened this before, so shit, I should have used this. This is much easier to take out, but oh well, I already opened this before, so yeah. Let's continue. So first we got some stuff, right? The camera, front camera, radio, and speaker and all this kind of stuff. Right, so let's see, is it the same? If it is, then that's great. Where's the RF cable? The RF cable too. Right, let's take this thing out first. Shit, why am I doing this? Let's try to get this to open. There we go. 1, 2, the camera. And not too long. Just gotta squeeze. Just slowly pick it up. first. We can do this one first. This one's the bottom. There we go. Right, nice. Right, RF cable. There we go. There is LCD. Then this one. Okay, my bad. This is nothing. We just plug this thing out. We are ready to take this motherboard out. Just shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Come on, motherboard. Come out, come out. Wherever you are. We are ready to move. Come out. There's the motherboard. So this is where all the cameras are here. Yeah. Now we can put it here. First we need to take out is this thing over here. It's another casing right now. Jeez. No, we do that later. We do that later. Wait. Remember this one? Yeah. Stick this out now. There we go. It's out. Ew, so dirty. I mean, I should have head. Ugh. So dirty. Get rid of the dirt. Ugh. Right, just plug this thing out. Come on. Come on, come on, son of a. Oh, there it is. Okay, the cover's right here. Just flip it. Don't flip here. You flip here, and then you plug it. Oh, there we go. This is a front camera, if I'm not wrong. This is a front camera. Is it focusing? Yeah. Front camera. Now for the speaker, just squish it. Just find a slot. Squish. Ah, come on. I can see. Is there any hole or anything with it? There we go. It's a sticky part. Just slowly, gently pull it out. Yeah, it's a sticker. There we go. Sticker's out. Let's be careful. That's all. Let's be careful with the sticker. Hopefully anything goes wrong. Alright, we can put it in here. We can put it here. Okay, next will be the bottom part now. We go to the bottom area. Choose this one. Alright, this one. We need. Alright, this bottom part is gonna be very sticky. So stick a head dryer and so 1 to 2 minutes in. Yeah, that should be enough. Now I can slowly plug the thing out using where is that thing? Put it on the floor. Right, now try to push the board in. This is where the toughest part is, push the board in. Push it here, yeah, this way. It's gonna be very sticky here, so you need to be careful. Very, very careful. This is a trolling pot, there we go. And that's how you take the whole thing out. Oh, there it is. A sticker. Alright, plug this thing out first, then we take out the sticker. Sticker right here. Alright, just take the sticker out. Even though I'm not supposed to use my hand, but. Right, sticker out. Case it. The new one. Case out the new one, new board. Should be somewhere like this. No? Shit, the sticker doesn't stick anymore. I got an idea. I'm trying to take out my secret weapon. The glue. It's just the glue help. It's now stick to it. Great. I just realized the pot is actually kind of weird. Weird looking pot. No wonder it's kind of weird. Look at that. Very weird looking pot. Okay, let's put this thing back in here, shall we? Alright, put this thing back in here. There we go. Stick to this one. Perfect. Very nice. Alright. Good. It can't stick anymore because it doesn't have the glue. The sticky tape's no longer that sticky. But it's fine, As long as, as long as it's okay, it looks good, then it should be fine. Looks good. Not looks good. Come on, J. Cole. The first ever restoring video. Let's go, J. Cole. Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the ball in. Should be like that. There you go. We do it this one first. Come on. There we go. Alright, now let's put in everything that we just stick out. Put back in. Oh! I should have just... Son of a gun. Hold on. Nani? Am I not doing it right? You're supposed to do it. Oh, it's right here. The cap thing. Yeah. Gotta push it. Whoop! Whoopsie daisy. Gotta pin it downward. And pick it. There you go. I gotta do it off screen because it's like you have to slide the thing in first, then you put it down. And that's how you do it. Alright, let's continue, shall we? Let's continue. So, all we left is the motherboard. So, let's go put the motherboard back in. Come on, motherboard. Get in the board. I believe once I put it in, it should resurrect by itself. Like, miraculously awaken. Are you? Jesus Christ, I can see it. Hold on. Alright, I couldn't see, so everything I have to be, go through the off-screen method. Alright, now left, we're putting everything back. So just make sure there's a tap noise. Hit this one. Let's start with this one first. Very beautiful. Oh, you son of a bitch, would you come up? Stupid thing. Every RF cable. Come on. Hey, wrong ball. Come on. No, not on the motherboard. Come on, be a good boy. Okay. First time doing this, man. Holy shit. Yeah, and I already feel miserably. Sorry guys, I kinda put on the wrong hole. So basically I tried to put on this one, but I actually think it's over here. It's not here, it's here. What am I doing? Seriously. I really don't understand technology, man. Like seriously, sometimes this technology stuff is really irritating. I'm not gonna lie, it's really irritating. I don't really care about this stuff, but yeah, that's how I do it. Now I'm gonna properly slide this thing down, in, slide it that way, Ready this way. The most annoying is the curved part, so you gotta be very skilled on this one, which I don't have, but yeah, I can try. I can try to do it. Even though I'm not supposed to, should we go the other stuff from the other side first? That's fine. It's fine. Let's try this. Go this way. There you go. Perfect. Let's hopefully it don't come out because this is not mounted board, so definitely will come out easily. Good. Now all it left is to put the cover back. Make sure there's a check noise. Alright, let's put everything back. Now first we're going to take the 4 screw, put the most important one in first. Then we will settle with the other one. So these. I shouldn't screw all the way in, but it's fine. This is my phone anyway, I'm not gonna sell it or anything. This is for collection purpose. Just restore it, make sure it works, boom, done. That's what I care about. Alright, let's try it. Hopefully it works, man. Hopefully it works. Alright, finger crossed. The battery is still there, so. About the battery and turn it off. And that's the only way to turn it off. Which is upsetting. I was kinda upset that happened. Maybe in the future I will buy the power button, but this is too much. For total cost of repairing this right now, I'm doing $70, and it's not worth it because it's an old mobile phone, and yeah, it's pretty bad. I'm not a mobile technician person, so yeah, what I can do, I already done it. So just look at the magic later. Let's look at the magic later. What have I done? I done it, but couldn't successful, you know, bring everything back to life. So I did it. I made sure it's like 95% working, and the rest is not. And we are done. Cover this case. Well, I'm gonna get a back cover anyway. I already purchased it. Alright, let's charge it. This is like a Malaysian phone. There you go. Look at that. Let's slide that down. Oh baby, looks good. From this broken piece that is really bad damage to this amazing looking Note 3. Alright, let's open the Note. I have stuffed so much paper on it. Hopefully this will work. It works. Stuffing paper works. So remember, anything goes wrong, put the paper on it. The button will definitely work. So apparently I know what's the issue now. The reason why the button doesn't work is because the speaker is spoiled. So let's have some fun using this. My new. Oh, it fixed. My speaker's fixed. Never mind. Okay, it's working. It's working. It's working well. All right, we'll take that. It's here. The package is here. This is for this Note 3 that I repaired. That will be shown on the video. But for now, let's open it up. I ordered the pink color one, black color one. Alright. Oh wait, I ordered a different color one. Oh, I ordered a white color one. Okay, it's fine. White color is better than no color. By Samsung Note 3. Very nice. Now I can put this. And voila, very nice.